exact process I use to clean and descale my Keurig using just vinegar and water. This process will work for any single-serve coffee makers. I'm going to fill up the water reservoir half with water and half with distilled white vinegar. Then hit the brew cycle, and it will brew that vinegar-water mixture all the way through the machine. When that brew cycle is finished, we're going to dump that out, and we're going to brew another. And we're going to just keep brewing cups of this vinegar water through the machine until the water reservoir is completely empty. When all of the vinegar and water have brewed through, we're going to take the water reservoir and clean it out really good, then fill it up with just water, and then repeat the process. You're just going to brew a bunch of cups of just water only to allow that to run through the machine and rinse out all of that water vinegar mixture. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY Made Easy.